Tonight, police are investigating a possible case of suspected poisoning in the death of renowned gynecologist Dr. Job Obwaka. An affidavit filed in court by Sergeant Rodan Zioka from the DCI headquarters indicates that samples collected from the house of a woman who was in the company of Dr. Obwaka during his final moments will be sent to the government chemist for toxicological analysis. The woman, Beatrice Wangare, will however remain in custody for 10 days to allow police to complete their investigations. NTV senior reporter Catherine Omwando now brings us up to speed with the latest in the probe on Dr. Obwaka's death.
11 a.m. Monday morning, Beatrice Wangare is brought to Kibera Law Courts in Nairobi. She didn't come out of the car immediately, instead opting to consult with her lawyers in the car. At about 12:30 p.m., they walk into court, her face completely covered. At the front row sit Dr. Obwaka's family members. The air in this cramped courtroom is somewhat tense. Beatrice has been in police custody since Friday, May 1st. Her legal team says she's not a suspect, but rather a person of interest. This is on account of being the last person to see Dr. Job Obwaka alive. Investigators initially wanted to hold her for 14 days. They suspect that Dr. Obwaka could have been poisoned.
There are certain samples that are being forwarded to the government analyst, and possibly as a result of the two tests or examinations, maybe subsequently a mental assessment examination.
Your Honor, as we speak, she's not even a suspect before this court. Yet she's already been detained for 3 days, and they want 14 more days to detain an innocent lady whose only mistake is the doctor dying when she was being transported to Nairobi Hospital after she raised an alarm upon his collapse in her house. Your Honor, this affidavit is full of innuendos, alarmism, and sensationalism.
Most important is that the circumstances surrounding the incident have taken a public interest turn, and we do feel that if the respondent is released this early, she may be in danger herself.
Magistrate Barbara Akinyi gave DCI 10 days to complete their investigations. According to an affidavit filed by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, Dr. Obwaka visited Beatrice Wangare at her residence on the evening of May 1st. After sharing a meal, he asked for water and went to the bedroom. The two were later intimate. Shortly afterwards, Dr. Obwaka, dressed in his trousers and vest, was found lying face up with a low pulse and slow breathing. The police affidavit continues, indicating that Beatrice called her neighbor, a Mr. Shadrach Korir, for help. Korir called an ambulance. A paramedic identified as Toila Kipkirui Maritim attended to Dr. Obwaka at the scene, performing CPR as he was rushed to the Nairobi hospital. He was pronounced dead on arrival at approximately 7 o'clock that evening. In March 2026, Dr. Obwaka, a former director of the Nairobi hospital, was arraigned at Milimani courts alongside others, where he was charged with conspiracy to defraud, conflict of interest, and falsifying membership records of the Kenya Hospital Association, which runs the Nairobi hospital. He was arraigned and fell ill, having to be given emergency care. Catherine Omwando, NTV.